Wow, 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 wow. Congratulations to Oscar Mbo. Um, we're really happy to see that he's been still with this lady, and congratulations to them. And none of us, I mean, we didn't know that the lady is pregnant, she's expecting. We just see it today, this morning, and then boom, the child. Yeah, man, congratulations to Oscar Mbo, and all the best with with his family. And we wish nothing to see them blessing, 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 blessing every time. Cheers, man. Don't forget, watch until the end. Cheers. Bye.